Good evening, I'm Giuseppe Basile, I'm the Essential Trader. You can find at the website www.fibstalker.com. I also post regularly on Twitter using the @fibstalker nickname. Good evening, today is Tuesday, January 21st, 2014, and it's 11:30 p.m. time in Toronto. In this brief video, I'm going to quickly review the Euro dollar Forex pair and the SP500 for you. And let's start from the euro. And as you know, I have a blueprint for this market. I've been publishing this blueprint January the 3rd at the Forex FX Street live analysis room with Dale Pinkett. And it is my belief that we're going to see 133.20 very soon here, and this market is going to continue lower into 129.70. I explained actually the reason why I believe this, and this fits into the way I look at the market using spotting the footprints of program trading, which is a class or a group of classes of algorithms which are present on the major market, high volume market, and the euro versus the dollar is definitely one of these markets. Now, those who follow me will remember that when we saw this 4 days move higher, I mentioned that as soon as the 15 minutes sequence in this move higher would have failed, we would have started a move lower. That's what happened here, and ex post this can be explained with these trades. And actually this trade is important because the 136.80 level was actually a level where this price has been rejected twice basically. The third time though, price dipped into this level, and but eventually moved lower. So if we consider 136.80 as a resistance level, this also gives us a first target 134.82, and the second target will be very close to that area of support 133.78. So 133.80 would be the second target here. Now, we had this small move, 2 days of move higher, and again, if we look at the 15 minutes here, that will be a sequence here, and I'm going to show you that this sequence has been just now, just few minutes ago, it has failed. So let's move to the 15 minutes chart then, and I'm going to show you the move, the last basically the last day. And I'll show you that there is a sequence here that in the last few hours has failed, and we had the first support 135.41 with a stop below 135.34, and it brought price right into that first target 135.80. Now the next sequence in this the next measured move in this sequence has failed already. And we can see this from price that has just failed this red line here, 135.57 level, and actually the low was 135.55 here. So it means that this move higher has failed. So we can actually anticipate the start of the move lower here. So a very good trade here would be to actually enter now and put a stop above this 135.81 level here, and actually this could be a continuation lower into those levels that we have seen on the daily chart. A confirmation that we saw the high in the last 3 days would come actually from price piercing below this 135.40. So below 135.39. This relative high here at 135.79 will be confirmed, and we get a continuation lower. Of course, no need to risk a lot on this trade, because we have to look at what happened here. And those who follow me will remember that I called this level of resistance here 136.39, and look at where price of course this setup broke price into the first area 135.53, and right into that second target 135.08, and after that we got a reaction higher. Now there is still a possibility that this market will correct higher into the next measure move here, so we cannot discount this. However, if you take a small risk, you can take a position here and put a stop above high 35, put the high at 135.80-81. If you want to be on the safe side, a reasonable stop would be 136.25, and to ride this market into the 133.23. So a current price 135.60 with a stop at 136.25 is 65 pips, with the opportunity to take out 320 pips here. So there is yet another trade here which can be taken, and the reason why we can take advantage of this trade is because we're using the fib stalking technique. It's a timing technique that allows us to decide when a sequence of measure move higher or lower has finished, or allows us to test a level of support and resistance. I hope this is useful for the euro dollar. So now moving to the SP500. The SP500 has been moving laterally in the last 4 to 5 sessions here, and you know that the levels we are watching here, and we have been watching this extension here, which broke price into the first target one, 1826. We cannot exclude a continuation higher, but we know that this price eventually is going to need to test the larger participants on the smaller time frame. Sorry, on the larger time frame here, which is the weekly time frame. And we know that, and you know that now that I'm anticipating this 1757 eventually to be retraced at current highs. If we print new highs, this level will move higher too, but there's not really a lot we can do at the moment on this market. If we want to commit on a trade like the trade we had from June last year to highs and second targets, we will need to wait the test of the 1757. This is it for today. The Fib Stalker signing off here. I hope this video was useful, and I'm going to share this video on the blog and tweet it very quickly. So make sure you always check the blog for updates. Thanks a lot for your attention, and I wish you a very good evening and a great trading day tomorrow and to the end of this exciting week. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye now.